We are up here in Lake Worth, day 2 of cleaning up some of this Lane Clearing Company's equipment. Today we have 8 more pieces to take care of. First one, we got a Cat 320, got a Cat 336, and another Cat 320, a Deere 544K. We also have a Cat 930M. We've got another Cat 930M. And then also a Deere 724. Got another Deere. This is a 744F. We just wrapped up here in Lake Worth. You see the units, you see the team. Everyone put in some work here today, just in time to beat the rain. Check it out, we got all of these 8 pieces of heavy equipment, nice and clean. Detailed, vacuum, steam cleaned and conditioned, glass inside and out. These are gonna be some happy operators.